Hey besties, I hope you guys are doing great. So watch how I make this sumptuous potato wedges. You're gonna love it. Just watch to the end of it. Okay, how do you make yours? My style is different. Watch out, because I'm going to soak it for 20 minutes. Okay, then before I'll be able to start adding my spices, then bake it. The water is going to be on it. This is after I've soaked it for 20 minutes, so I'm just going to sieve out the water and spice it. So guys, I'm using bigger pots so that once I spice it, it will have a very big space, and I'm going to cover it again for I'm telling you, for like 50 minutes. So that's how I'm going to cover it, so that all the ingredients is just going to soak into it. I'm going to add first, okay, rapeseed oil. I'm just going to add it there. I'm going to add my sister's royal seasoning powder, mixed herbs, smoked paprika, garlic, ginger, salt to taste, and black pepper and all-purpose. So this is what I'm going to add. This is a royal seasoning. Just going to add that. Added everything now. Time to mix it. Finish mixing everything together, and now we'll cover it for 50 minutes before I bake it in the oven.
I just want to pass on it. And I'm also gonna eat it tomorrow as well. So now I know. So I have no homework space for the whole week.
Guys, this is this after 50 minutes.
Bro, I literally said it like 5 times already, bro.
No Ronaldo.
He's 40 on me today. Ronaldo's 40 today, bro. Ronaldo's 40, bro.
He has achieved so much now in his life at 40. That's good.
I was having for a chick with them, bro.
Now, Isaiah. Oh.
Yeah, that is like long.
You can airdrop it? You can airdrop it.
You can't airdrop in Samsung.
Oh, yeah. It's like cold today, it's really hot.
I'm trying to see if I can Bluetooth this thing.
I clicked on so many times, so all I have to do. No, bro, this is the 40th thing ever.
Here's Cole's granddad.
Cole is there as well, man.
Here's Ella.
We're just very elated.
Here's his brother, not yet. I want to get my classes.
Yeah, his birthday.